This is a review of the DocSmart 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer that we are going to be doing a review and a test on. In this review and test, we're going to show you guys what you get inside. And from there, we are going to test this product out to see whether or not this cordless hedge trimmer is worth it. So without going further, let's show you guys what you get. And from there, we are going to test this product out. Okay, so here's everything that this product comes with. Here's the 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer by DocSmart. But what we get here is a pair of instruction manual guide in case if you want to learn more information about it. We get a Phillips head screwdriver with a pair of screws. So what you have to do with that is use 2 screws for the handlebar, 2 of them right over here, 2 of them right over here. Then last but not least, you need to screw the deflector as well too. So one right over here, the other one right over here. And then what it comes with right here is 2 pairs of rechargeable batteries that have a lot battery lifespan up to 120 minutes. You get a pair of goggles as well too to protect your eyes from dirt and debris. Right over here, we get a pair of gloves as well too to protect your hands from dirt and debris as well. And then last but not least, you get the charger as well too to charge up the batteries, the rechargeable batteries. But now what we're gonna do now is that we are going to go outside and put this product to a test to see whether or not if this thing is worth it. So without going any further, let's go outside and test this product out. Okay, so here we are outside that we are going to put this product to a test, and you can see here it comes with the handlebar as well here too. And what I love about is that it is very lightweight as well. Now, one cool thing I love about this product that it comes with 180 degrees oscillation. So what that means and what that does is that you can move it like here, and one right over here, and you can see I turn it on. The power button is right over here to turn it on. Rechargeable batteries located here. But what we're going to do now is that we are going to cut some branches located right over there that you can see, and we're going to see how well this thing performs. So let's go do that. Okay, so you can see right over here, this is the aftermath, and I cut a lot of branches that came off of right over here. My tree was very long, so what I did is I cut a lot of branches and made it much more shorter, and you can see all the branches that this thing cuts right over here. You can see how well this thing performs. And then as you guys saw the video, you can see right over here, this entire branch I cut off, and you can see it was unnecessary and I didn't need it, so I took this off. And you can see how well and how strong this cordless hedge trimmer by DocSmart performs, and it really is high quality. It works very well. It's cordless, lightweight, portable, moving around everywhere, no switch or anything like that. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a cordless hedge trimmer to do all of your outdoor activities every single day. Then I would definitely recommend the DocSmart cordless hedge trimmer.